The next section is lease duration. So in here, you're going to put in here the date on the lease document that you have. So for this example, we're going to use January 1st of 2025, and we are going to make this a 3-year lease. So 12/31 of 2028. Oops, 28. Um, Actually 27, a 3-year lease. So we're going to enter in that lease information. So we want to make sure that this is accurate, that the lease end date matches up to what is on the lease itself, as well as the start of the lease date. That does not necessarily mean the rent commencement date. This is the lease start date. The rent commencement date can be entered in at a different part, and you can update it accordingly.